Come on. Clap, y'all. Here we go. 5 rounds. All right. Round 1. Elephant Graveyard. Here we go. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, come on, make some noise out there. Yo. My goodness. Ooh. Flavors. Yo. Whoa, Livermore, you seeing all this? Crowd, you seeing all this? Am I the only one seeing this? Are we all seeing this? Oh! All right, here we go. Keep the change. Crowd at though. Come on, y'all. My man's dropping about 1,000 moves right now. Whoa, come on, y'all make some noise for Jerz. All right, Kiki, what you got? Gorgeous. All right, round 2. Graveyard. Livermore, y'all out there? Come, y'all out there, Livermore, come on, make some noise. Round 2. Wow. Oh, we're battling up here. Come on, Liberal, make some noise. You see something you like? Make some noise. Wow. Round 2. We in fifth gear. Let's go. This is the final. Let's go. What you got for us? Crowd, I can't hear you. Come on. Wow. Round 2. Wow, where's my audience act yet. Come on, make some noise out there. Final round. Here we go. Everyone make some noise for these dancers. Here we go. This is it, the final round. Woo! Wow, both directions proud. Come on, y'all. Make some noise. Elephant Graveyard, final round. Final round. Ill flavor. Ronan. Hey! Y'all know the words, come on! Say what? So be it. We should tie them up, huh, by the hand. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for ill-flavored at Elephant Graveyard. No, give major noise, make some noise for these individuals, y'all. Wow. They left it all on the floor for y'all, for me, for us, yo. For that man, thank y'all. I get one judge after y'all deliberate. Y'all got it? All right. Real quickly, can we give a shout out to the DJ, y'all? DJ Network. That was amazing. Also, can we get a huge round of applause for this hermano right here? Arthur, where you at? Where's the brother Art? We need to give this brother right here all his flowers, man. All the hard work that goes into putting this on. Arthur, get up here. Come on, Art. Yo, give it up one time for Arthur, y'all. Helping us, elevating us, supporting us. Thank you for putting this on, man. Give it up one more time for the Art right here. All right, y'all. Let's get to these winners. So crowd, same as last time. Help me out. We're gonna count it down. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. Louder. I can't hear you. Elephant Graveyard is the 2024 East Bay Dam World Champions. The best in the galaxy of the Milky Way.